Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw a pig. Let's start by drawing the pig's head. For this, we're going to use a square with curvy corners. Starting to one side of your page, draw across the top, curve around the corner, down the side, curve around the corner, along the bottom, and curve around the corner, back up to the top. On the inside of the square, near the bottom, we're going to draw the pig's snout. That's what you call a pig's nose. We're going to use a lying down oval for this, one line that goes all the way around. Inside the oval, we're going to draw two little circles for the pig's nostrils. You can colour these in black. Just above the snout, in the middle of the head, we're going to draw two more little circles for the eyes. You can colour those black too. Most pigs have quite big floppy ears. We're going to use little rectangles for these. Starting on the corner of the pig's head, draw a short line out, a long line down the side, a short line at the bottom, and a long line back up to the corner. Do the same on the other side. Short line out, long line down, short line along the bottom, and a long line back up to the top. The pig's body is like a long lying down oval. So starting in the middle of the head, just about here, we're going to draw a line that goes along the edge of the pig's back, around its bottom, back along its tummy, and up to its chin. Let's try that with our pencils. Draw a long line along the pig's back, around its bottom, along its tummy, and back up to its chin. Good. Pigs have 4 legs. They're quite short legs, so we need to do 2 standing up rectangles at the front and 2 standing up rectangles at the back. And on the bottom of these legs they have special little feet called trotters. At the bottom of each leg, draw a line across to make a square shape. Do the same on each leg. And then to turn them into a trotter, you need to start at the bottom of the leg and draw up, but not all the way to that line. Then it looks like the pig has 2 toes on each foot. The last thing the pig needs is a little tail, which looks a bit like a curly spring. So starting at the top of its bottom, we're going to draw out and up and around, and up and around again, and stop. Some pigs are pink. Some pigs are grey. And some pigs are an orangey brown colour. And some pigs even have spots. But all pigs like to snuffle around in the mud and leaves looking for good things to eat. Oh look, here comes the farmer to check on the pigs. Morning, pigs! If you would like to learn to draw a tractor or something else from a farm, go to the Sketchcan Caravan YouTube channel, where you can find these tutorials and many others. To support this project, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks.